Good afternoon, ma'am. My name is Emma Shaw. I study in class 9. Today I am showing the model of roller skating. There are many types of roller skating. Basic, hard and inline. Basic is used when we start learning skating. Hard is used when we know better how to ride skate. It is used in championship like state and district. This is an inline skate and it is a professional skate. It is used by a professional user. And the championship that is used in national, international and world championship. This is the kit of skate roller skating and this is the round of champion of roller skating. Thank you.
মানু এইটা